Hello friends, welcome to you in a life-changing concept. Today we come with a great plan that can fulfill your dreams. In today's life, after food, clothes, house, money is become a part of life. For earn money we work day and night, do works below of interest, hear the bosses scolding, or do little businesses, and big problem is that, we lost our dreams. Friends, if you want to change your life, then watch this video till the end. Today we are gonna talk about a plan, where you don't have to do hard work. Only with little amount you can fulfill your dreams. Let me know about the company. Company name is Kamkaro and its website is kamkaro.biz. Its mother company name is Picanno Group of Companies. Picanno Group has been manufacturing and exporting school furniture, office furniture, hospital furniture, hotel furniture in India since 17 years, and continuously providing its services to more than 5,000 schools across India. Picanno Group is also making a name for itself in the digital world. Last year company launched Picanno.in, which is India's biggest education portal. Company come with a new concept, which is called Kamkaro.biz. It's a e-commerce portal where A to Z products and services will be available from all brands. For example, you have everything on single portal. Friends, let's know about joining packages. Here you have many joining options. First we will discuss about Kit 1. It's our self-heal ornament. Its price is 3,500. Here you will get 20 BB and you will get 3,500 cash rewards points. If we talk about benefits of it, then it reduces strain in the upper back area. Helps in headache, back pain, arthritis, any type of body pain. Helps in frequent changes in menstruation period. Helps in all types of bone pain. Helps in diabetes and high blood pressure. Brings back and stabilizes the energy of our body. Our second kit is Magic Card. Its price is 1770. Here you will get 10 BB and you will get 1770 cash rewards points. If we talk about benefits of it, then it protects from the magnetic signals coming from the mobile. Keeping it in your shirt or pant pocket keeps energy. Vegetables and fruits do not get spoiled for a long time by keeping the Magic Card in the fridge. Our third kit is Anti-Hair Fall. Its price is 3,550. Here you will get 20 BB and you will get 3,550 cash rewards points. Benefits of it is, it will persistent hair loss, hair thinning, spontaneous hair fall. If your hair is falling continuously and no oil is working, then use anti-hair fall only once for 7 to 15 days and see 100% miraculous results. For tremendous result need to use minimum 90 days. Our fourth kit is Regrowth Hair Oil. Its price is 5,250. Here you will get 20 BB and you will get 5,250 cash rewards points. Benefits of it, within 25 to 90 days the hair starts growing again. Stops dandruff in 3 to 7 days. Removes baldness of hair on the head. Natural black and shiny hair starts showing. Relieves stress, depression, anxiety. Your hair can grow up to 6 inches in a month. For tremendous result need to use minimum 180. Our fifth kit is Herbal Products. Its price is 3,500. Here you will get 20 BB and you will get 3,500 cash rewards points. Our sixth kit is Online Leaders Search Engine Kit. Its price is 1180. Here you will get 10 BB and you will get 1180 cash rewards points. Our seventh kit is Online Education. Its price is 5,900. Here you will get 20 BB and you will get 5,900 cash rewards points. Like the 8th kit is Open Kit. Here you have to purchase minimum 20 BB and here you can choose any product. After joining, let's figure out how we will get income from it. First of all, we will talk about company bonus income. Here you will get 2x2 pool and it will fill left to right automatically. After your entry, when any person enter in this pool, his placement will be in your downline automatically. There is 10 levels, and when 2 person comes under you, you will get 20 rupees bonus. When 4 person comes on second level, you will get 40 rupees. From third level, when 8 person come you will get 80 rupees. And as shown on chart we will earn 20,460 rupees from 10 level. Let me know about direct income. When any person join under you will get 10% of their BV joining value. You can do unlimited direct and earn unlimited income. Our next income is direct sponsor bonus. From the date of activation within 7 days, if you sponsor 10 directs of 20 BB in any leg, you will get 30% direct sponsor bonus extra than direct income. For example, 100 BB left and 100 BB right, or 200 BB in any leg. Our next income is matching income. When our left and right get business matching, you will get 5% of matching BB value. Let's know about fast matching bonus. Here we will get 10% of value of BB within same day of your joining if you do your 2 direct referrals, A and B. Then you will get 10% left and right BB matching fast bonus income. Our next income is super fast matching bonus. Here we will get 30% of the value of BB within 7 days of your joining if you do your 2 direct referrals, A and B. Also A made direct C and D referral and B also made direct A and F referrals, then you will get 30% left and right BB matching fast bonus income. Our next income is rocket bonus income. Within 7 days of your joining, if you do your 2 direct referrals A and B. Also A made direct C and D referral and B also made direct A and F referrals and C, made 2 directed D, made 2 directs A, made 2 directs and F, made 2 directs, then you will get 50% left and right BB matching rocket matching bonus income. Now leader further matching income is 5% to 10% forever. Friends, remember super fast bonus and rocket bonus, you get one bonus which is achieved within 7 days. Our next income is level income. Here 10% of joining BB value will distribute to upper 10 level from every ID. For example, if any ID join with any 10 BB, then 10 rupees will distribute in upper 10 level. Like this is shown on the chart, income will be distributed. Now will we know about no time limit rewards. Their rewards are on next to next target base. When you do 50 BB in left side and 50 BB in right side, you will become team leader and as reward you will get rupees 500 as reward. Like this on next 100 BB matching you will become bronze and you will get rupees 1000. As shown on the chart you will get rewards. Now we will know about repurchase leader status discount and company monthly royalty income. When you become team leader, you will get 5% discount on selected products. Like this at bronze level you will get 10% discount. At silver level 15% discount. Like this is shown on chart. When you become black diamond you will get 0.1% royalty of company turnover. Like this when you become ambassador, you will get 1% of company turnover. Friends, this is a unique plan, it's fully secure and transparent, and they will definitely get success who start earlier. For known about more you can contact to that person who share you this video, or you can visit company's website www.kamkaro.biz. Thank you for giving your important time. Please like, share and subscribe.